Hello students, welcome to all of you. I hope you all are very fit and fine. And one thing I would like to share you that this video lecture is just on the request of those students which are directly linked with me, and they were asking that, sir, please explain oxidation reduction method of balancing of chemical reaction in detail. So that's why, children, I am going to explain this very important point of the topic oxidation and reduction, in which we have to study that is how the chemical reactions are balanced by half reaction method, and this half reaction method is also termed ion electron method. Alright, but before knowing this method of balancing, you have to know some certain rules. Some certain rules are followed for balancing of chemical reaction by this very method. Alright, children. So before commencing this point, I would like to explain one more point, that is what is oxidation and what is reduction. I think you are knowing very well, but I also going to revise what is oxidation and what is reduction. So children, listen sincerely. Oxidation reaction is that reaction in which electron is lost. The reaction in which electron is loses or electron is lost. Or one word sentence if you are writing this one, de-electronation. If you are nothing knowing, only remember this point. De-electronation is called oxidation, and de-electronation means just a removal of electron or loss of electron. No, children, this point, loss of electron refers to de-electronation. Similarly, this reduction is a gain of electron. Reduction is the reaction in which electron is gained, and simply you can say electronation. The process of electronation means gain of electron. Gain of electron is called reduction. But how you can identify, how you recognize that this is de-electronation, this is electronation? So simply know, according to definition, loss of electron. Suppose M is any atom, so that's one. If this condition arises, clearly showing the loss of electron, so this will be called what? Oxidation or de-electronation. Or for example, you can write it, that is, suppose any anion is changing into this condition. Chloride ion, conversion of chloride ion into chlorine by the loss of electron. The process is termed oxidation. And children, nowadays, and now according to IPC convention, the oxidation is shortly written as such. Similarly, as you are knowing to writing reaction is written as such. Similarly, you write equilibrium as such. This is termed equilibrium, reaction. Similarly, this is oxidation. And if you have to represent reduction, then write as such. This is showing a reduction. So this is loss of electron. Now gain of electron. So gain of electron means electronation. So if the condition, suppose any atom is A, and that is gaining electron, then it will become as such. Is it, children? Is it? Alright. So A plus A minus, this reaction is clearly showing that electron is gained, that is gain of electron. So that will be what? This reaction will be called reduction. And this concept is based on electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. This concept is completely based on electronic concept or modern concept of electronation or de-electronation, also termed oxidation or reduction. For example, suppose we have to show this general reaction by a very particular example. So suppose I writing here Fi plus 3 plus E minus. So by gaining of electron, what will happen? That become Fi plus 2. So this will called reduction reaction. Alright. One simple example I taking. Suppose Na plus E minus, gain of electron, that is Na. So electron is gaining here. So gain of electron means electronation will show reduction. Some other example, suppose H plus E minus changing into H minus. Alright, H plus E minus changing into H is what? Just what happening? Gain of electron. Or you can write H plus E minus changing into H minus. What happening? Gain of electron. So gain of electron is what? That is electronation. Alright. And one more point I would like to discuss here. If you are knowing oxidation reduction, then what is oxidant? This point. What is oxidant and what is reductant on the basis of electronic concept or on the basis of modern concept? An oxidant stand for oxidizing agent also. This is termed oxidant stand for oxidizing agent. Similarly, reductant stand for reducing agent. So what are these? Listen sincerely. So according to electronic concept or according to modern concept, oxidants are those chemical substances which have tendency to gain electron are called oxidant. And just a reverse of oxidant is called reductant. Means the reaction, those substances are those chemical substances in which electron is lost. Those chemical substances which have tendency to lose electron is called a reductant. For example, I writing a simple example. Suppose FeCl3 plus H2S changing into FeCl2 plus 2HCl plus S. Alright children, suppose any chemical reaction is given, but one more thing children, if you are studying this very topic, so many times the point will come, what do you mean by redox reaction? What do you mean by redox reaction? So simply know, this redox is made by adding these two points, red plus ox. So here term red stands for reduction and ox stands for oxidation. So joining together red plus ox become redox, and that can be defined as those chemical reactions in which oxidation reaction and reduction reaction possess simultaneously, each called redox reaction. And children, this very reaction is called a redox reaction. Means this reaction is composed of oxidation as well as reduction, and this consists of one oxidant and one reductant. So in this very reaction, which will be oxidant, which will be reductant, which reaction will be oxidation, which will be reduction. So we have to just break this reaction, and on the basis of electronic or modern concept, you can easily put that which reaction will be reduction, which will be oxidation, which will be oxidant, which will be reductant. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to break this reaction in two half reaction. Word is half reaction. Children, I always try to give you our best. No point is left. And you are now recognizing me very well. So, those students which are directly in mind touch, they have to know worry. In mind subject, I will tell them all the points without any partiality, without any discrimination. That is my main quality, children. And I think from next week I am going to start. That is perhaps this lockdown is going to end or going to finish. So we are going to start from 1st or 2nd September. New classes will be started for if you are interested, then you can join. Okay, half reaction. What is half reaction? So half reaction is those reaction in which one reaction is showing half oxidation reaction and other is showing reduction reaction. Listen, what is half reaction? When a redox reaction is a breakdown on the basis of oxidation and reduction in two half reactions, then that reaction is called half reaction. Once again listen, if any given redox reaction is breakdown on the basis of oxidation and reduction in two salt equations is called, or two salt equation or salt reaction, means that is half reaction. So that reaction is called half reaction. So for this very reaction, how half reaction is dictated? So children listen, you have to first recognize that which atom is going to change in product side. So in this FeCl3, FeCl is changing into FeCl2. Alright. So this change, suppose this is first, I writing it first. And in this very reaction S2S is changing into S, this one. Means conversion of FeCl3 into FeCl2 is a one reaction, and conversion of this S2S into sulfur is a other half reaction. But we have to here identify that which is oxidation, which is reduction. So you can identify, children, on the basis of either modern concept or by electronic concept or by classical concept, or one more method is also you have to study here, that is oxidation number method. That you are not knowing, I will explain any day in detail, that is what is oxidation number, and by oxidation number how we can distinguish oxidation and reduction. So listen, so here distinction is based on either classical concept or on the electronic concept. So clearly, children, here it is clear that this FeCl3 is converting into FeCl2 by the loss of electron. So the loss of electron reaction is no doubt is a reduction. And in this, children, this reaction here, conversion of S2S into sulfur, is proceeding by the loss of electron, is called oxidation. So how loss and how gain, just try to know. This is, children, FeCl3, alright, converting into here FeCl2, alright. So in this FeCl3, this Fi is plus 3, and this FeCl2, Fi is plus 2. So plus 3 to plus 2 means what? That is what happening here, means electron is gained. So electron gain reaction is what? Reduction. Similarly here, children, H2S is changing into S. In this condition S to S, it is -2 and here 0. And -2 is less than 0, means this reaction is possessing with the loss of electron, and loss of electron will be what? Oxidation. If you are not standing once, then see once again. This is S2S. So how children S2S is formed? 2S plus and S minus 2. What this can be written as? This very S2S can be written in the ionic form children as such. That may be written. Means S2S is formed by the combination of two hydrogen atoms and one sulfur atom and maintaining their charges. So 2S plus and S minus 2. And just that is changing into a neutral sulfur atom. So here is S in -2 and converting into 0. So there is what happening? That is electron is losing. So loss of electron is what? That is oxidation. This is reduction. And now in this basis you can identify that which will be oxidant and which will be reductant. So listen, the reaction which is reduction, those reaction which is occurring a reduction, the substance which is going to reduce will be no doubt will be oxidant. So in this very reaction FeCl3 will be oxidant, and if the reaction is oxidation, the substance which is going to oxidize will be a reductant. So reductant. So in this very reaction, conversion of this reaction into these two forms is called half reaction. Must remember, this is called half reaction, means breaking down of a complete reaction into two half reaction on the basis of oxidation and reduction is called half reaction. Alright, and in half reaction, one substance, one reaction is reduction of reaction, other is oxidation of reaction. So those reaction which will be reduction, the substance will be oxidant, and those reactions in which the reaction is oxidation of reaction, the substance will be reductant. So that's why they are first converted into half reaction, and balancing of these half reaction is called children half reaction method for balancing of redox reaction. Since, listen, since this redox reaction is going to break into two half reactions in the form of oxidation and reduction, and these two forms of this very reaction is called half reaction, and balancing of the word is balancing, don't confuse. The word is balancing, this one, not this. This stands for balancing, not this, balancing. So balancing of these reactions on the basis of half reaction method or ionic method is we have to discuss, we have to know. So these are the basic points in it. So before knowing these rules for balancing of reaction, half reaction method or Einstein method, just focus on this thing, then you will be in position to understand the point clearly. And children, suppose we have to balance a reaction, question comes as balance the given chemical reaction P plus OH and PH3 plus H2O PO2 minus by half reaction method or by ion electron method. So how it can be balanced, I will children explain you in detail in next upcoming lecture. So properly learn them, and we will meet again. Until then, thank you very much. Have a very beautiful day.